Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to enable two-step verification in the Google. Let's see how to do this. Launch your web browser from your computer desktop. Type g.co/2sv into the address bar and hit enter. Scroll down and click on Get Started button. Type in your password. Click on Next. Type in your phone number. Scroll down. Select either text message or phone call. Click the text message and click on Next. You will receive a text message containing 6-digit code. Enter it here. Click on Next. Click on Turn On button. Now you have two-factor verification enabled for your Google account. That is how you can enable two-step verification in the Google. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.